Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. Today we have a super mega huge gigantic announcement. Yeah, we're doing a giveaway. We're doing a really big giveaway. We're giving away everything that you see on this table and then a lot of items that you do not see on this table. First and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. As always, we appreciate you and all that you do. If you're new to our channel, first, welcome and thanks for stopping by. I am Altered Component, and around here we do crypto, we do mining, and we do hardware content. And if you ever have comments, questions, or concerns, make sure to comment down in the comments section, and we try to reply to as many as we can. We will dive into our giveaway details in just a few minutes, but first, let's spin that intro. And we're back. Now on to the important part, the giveaway details. Here are the details. This is the first video, and it is also your first chance to win. To enter, first and foremost, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Second, you need to like this video. That's right, smash that like button. And third, and equally as important, you need to comment on this video with a specific phrase to enter into the drawing. The comment must include in caps, USA, and also why you love or hate crypto and or why you love or hate crypto mining. Then for the next 3 weeks on Friday, we'll release a new video. In that video, we will give an additional keyword or phrase that you will have to add in the comments in that video. You'll need to do the same to enter as you did with this video. You must be subbed, you must like the video, you must add a comment with the given phrase to be entered. That is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We will then randomly select a number of users each week until we have completely depleted the giveaway stash. Now, quick disclaimer, and we apologize ahead of time, but we are limiting this giveaway to US entries only. Sorry, we can't be sending these all out international because it will cost us an arm and a leg just to send these items out internationally. We can't do it, can't do it. Now that we've got all the details and everything out of the way, let's quickly just kind of touch on some of the items that we have here. We'll go over a couple of the larger ones first. We've got a RTX 3070 gigabyte gaming OC model. We've got a Ice River KSO Pro Special Edition. We've got a mining motherboard, an H110 BTC Plus with CPU and RAM combo all ready to mine. A couple other motherboards, brand new keyboards, 3 EVGA mice that are brand new unopened gaming mice. We've got gaming headsets, webcams, nice brand new microphone. We've got some RGB lights because we all know that RGB adds hash rate. All kinds of things. Mouse mat, RGB mouse mat. We've got risers, packs of risers, like full brand new unopened sealed risers for GPU mining, webcams, all kinds of goodies to give away. Now, before we close out of this video, I really want to extend my thanks to my fellow content creators and anyone that's been with me in this journey and in the mining space. I greatly appreciate everything you've done for me and for us as a community. So yeah, that about wraps it up. If you haven't already entered, make sure to sub, like, comment down below, get yourself entered for this drawing, and let's move on. Now, if you're new to mining, you need some help, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord. There's always plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to help you out. And if you like the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride. checking out my mining crib with me today, but y'all have outstayed your welcome. You need to get up on out of here. Go!